So, hello guys, I hope I am audible. Today we are going to solve another lead code problem, which is 198 house robber. It is also today's daily challenge. So first, let us read the problem. You are a professional robber planning to rob house along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is that adjacent house have security system connected it, and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into the same night. So what this statement is saying that, first complete the question. Given an integer array nums representing the amount of money of each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. So what's the question is saying, let us understand. You are given integer array which consists elements, and each element is signifies the amount in ith house. So you are a robber and you want to maximize your profit by robbing any number of house, but only constraint is that you can't broke two adjacent house. That means if you broke into one zeroth house, you can't broke second house, that is first element, first index. Similarly, if you broke first index element, then you can't rob first and the third element. So this is the constraint. I hope you understand well. So let's jump into code. So first condition, what is base? Basically, it is problem of dynamic programming, and its simple solution is very simple. So what is saying that the next step will be determined. We can determine it using previous step. So what we do, first try it if only one house. Then what we are gonna do? So nums dot size is 1. Then we just simply return the element which it has, because if there is no adjacent house, then why we move further? We just simply return that maximum profit is that house. Next move, we have to create a DP, or we can say a previous vector, which will store our previous maximum profit. That in previous step, what is our maximum profit? Its size should be equal to nums dot size. So first we store it in another variable, that is n, and let us initialize its whole element with 0. So dp vector, just simply use it for storing previous profit. Then we run a loop to int I should be start from 2 and I should not exceed size of the array. We will handle it later. First, suppose about base case, if we have one house, we just write the code for it, that if we have only one house, then we simply return it. If we have only two house, so how we will move further for n number of house? So we just simply initialize it with nums 0 element, and then the second element, or we can say first index element, should be maximum of both nums 0 and nums 1, because if we have only two house, then we take maximum house which has maximum number of maximum profit. Okay, how do you understand? Then we just simply run a loop, and what this loop is saying, that previous of I is maximum of, there are two conditions that let at ith position, if we rob, we have two profits. First, if we don't include that ith, let we are on I equal to 2. If we include that, then what will be profit? We have previous profit of I minus 1 and we just include nums of I. Second profit is we don't include it. So previous of I minus 1. My bad, it should be I minus 2. Okay. Current profit is maximum of previous profit, or we can say is maximum of profit can be obtained. I am writing comments so that you can understand later. Can be obtained by two conditions. First, without including current element, so it should be previous of I minus 1, and if we include current element, then profit should be previous I minus 2 plus nums I. Okay, and in last we just simply return maximum of pre n minus 1 or previous n minus 2. So it will gonna work. All test case passes, that is submitted. It is submitted. So I hope you understand the logic behind this solution and also the code. Thank you for watching.